Welcome to Part 2, Section 1-2 of Google Drive. Here is a reminder about your Unit 1 essential outcomes. Remember, you will be working in Google Drive and Microsoft Word to create business documents that are professional using basic software features. You will be asked to complete an I can statement and articulate and utilize computer and software terminology. Google Drive, uploading files and folders. We are now going to upload a file from our H drive or our removable disk. The first step is to make sure that you have the document saved on your H drive or in your removable disk. The second step is to log into Google Drive. Make sure you're on My Drive, and then you want to make sure you're inside your Unit 1 Google Drive folder. To access your Google Drive folder, all you need to do is click on your Unit 1 Google Drive path. That should get you to your drive. Inside that drive, you should see one folder called Chapter 1. To upload the file, you have a couple options. You can either select the new icon to draw up the menu, or you can right click and then select Upload Files. Once you have selected Upload Files, you're going to browse and find your removable disk or portable disk or your H drive. Then find your folder called Documents 2017-2018, and then inside that folder you should be able to see your Unit 1 Student I Can statement. Select the statement by double-clicking. Once you have double-clicked on your document, you will be taken back to Google Drive, and in the bottom right corner you will see that Google Drive is uploading your Word document. When the upload is completed, it will tell you. If you notice here, it says 1 upload complete. You should also be able to see your document inside your drive. Notice that the little icon W stands for a Word document. Now that you have your file uploaded, in your Unit 1 Google Drive folder, you should see a folder for Chapter 1 and a file. You will also notice that this file has a file name called Unit 1, Chapter 1, etc., etc. And to the left of the file name, you will see a W, which stands for a Word document. Now it's time to learn how to convert from a Word document to a Google Drive doc. When I uploaded my folder, we noted that this was a Word document with a file name called Unit 1, Chapter 1. We now need to convert this Word document to a Google Docs. To do this, I'm going to right-click on the document and a menu will open up. I want to find the Open With and then scroll over the arrow pointing to the right until I see Google Docs. Then I will select the icon called Google Docs. After I have selected the Google Docs, a new tab in my Google Drive will open, showing me that I have a Unit 1, Chapter 1 Google document. I will also note that I have a file name inside the document in the top right corner called Unit 1, Chapter 1 ICANN Student Rubric. Notice that this file name also matches the tab name. Now that I have my Google Doc created, I now want to rename my file name. If I notice my file name for my document is in the top left-hand corner, I simply click inside the file name and move my cursor to the front, and I will add my name. That gives me credit for this document, and your instructor will also know that this is your document. Once you have renamed your file, hit enter or click inside your document. And what I want you to notice is that now that you've renamed your file name, the tab is also renamed. If I would like to move my document, I may do that as well in case I realize I have uploaded this file to the wrong folder. All I need to do is go to, in the document, all I need to do is go to my File tab, then find, by going down the drop-down menu, to the Move To icon with the little folder. And then I am going to look at this, and I can go back by clicking on the little back arrow up here. On the right side, I can go and click on the X to exit out of it. I may also create a folder inside my Unit 1 Google Drive folder if I so choose, or I can click on Move Here. If I look inside my Unit 1 Google Drive folder, I now will see that I have two documents. I have a Word document to the right, and to the left I have now a Google Docs document. How do I know the difference between the two? The Word document has the W. The document on the left has a square. The square represents a Google Docs. So if I look down here, my file name is the same, except now I have a blue icon instead of a W. Now, I can now right-click on my old Word document, and I can remove it. So I'm going to use the same process for uploading folders. The only difference is that when you upload a folder, everything inside the folder will be uploaded to the drive. So make sure you understand when you're uploading a file is a single document, as in a Word document, and a folder is a folder that contains numerous files or documents inside it. We have finished section 1-2. It is now time for you to do your practice activity. If you have logged out of Google Drive, please log in again. Number 2, you will be uploading your Unit 1 ICANN statement that you downloaded in section 1-1, and you're going to be uploading it and putting it inside your Unit 1 Google Drive folder. To upload the file, go to your flash drive where you have saved the ICANN statement from section 1-1. You're going to upload it into Google Drive and place it under the Unit 1 Google Drive folder. Convert or open the file in Google Docs. 4, add your first and last name in front of the file name. 5, if you need to move the file to the Unit 1 Google Drive, please do so at this time. Please call me over to review your work. Make sure you are ready to show me how you upload it and change the file name. We have just finished Chapter 1, Section 1-2. It is now time for you to go back to your Google Drive and open up your Unit 1 I-CAN statement. You want to fill in Chapter 1, Section 1-2. Then continue on to Part 3 of this video. You will find it on the class website.